Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are keeping fine. So today we will be learning the new topic, that is determiners. Determiners. Now what are called determiners? Determiners are also known as articles. So what are the articles? Usually we know it as a, and the. And the. Now again, determiners are divided into two heads. What are they? Indefinite determiners and determiners. Now and falls under indefinite determiners. That means these two are called as indefinite determiners, and the is known as determiners. Okay, now already we know what are the types of determiners. Now we have to know why are they called indefinite determiners and definite determiners. Now a and they are called indefinite because they do not point out at any particular person, animal or thing. So the example, I met a doctor. So that doctor may be anyone. So it is given as any doctor. The is a definite determiner because it specifies some particular person or thing. I have given one example which can be which can be compared clearly. Here it was, I met a doctor. Now here it is, the doctor who treated me is now in USA. That means this doctor is one. The person is talking about one particular doctor. I hope it is clear. Next, children, we will study about the selection between a and. Now where do we use? Where are we supposed to use and? I mean before which words we are supposed to use and a. Now and is used before a vowel sound. For example, an orange, an egg. So we know, as we all know, that vowels are a, e, I, o, u. A, E, I, O, U. So the words which starts with vowels are completely to be understood as that and is used before the vowel before the words starting with vowels. Next one, before words beginning with H but where H remains silent. For example, our, H-O-U-R. It starts with a consonant, but this H remains silent, and so when we pronounce it comes as O-U-R. So because O is a vowel, we use an hour. We use the determiner as an hour. Then also it is used before a consonant but pronounced like a vowel. Before a consonant, pronounced like a vowel. For example, an, SP, and MA. Now, S, if we talk about S is a consonant, N is a consonant. But when we pronounce S, then the vowel sound comes. The vowel sound comes like ESS. The vowel sound comes like EMM. So, because this E sound comes, and that is why we use AN before SP or MA. Okay, next we shall learn where we should use A. That is, we pronounce it as a. Before a word that begins with a consonant sound. So, when the word begins with a consonant sound, we are supposed to use the determiner A before that word. Suppose example, a boy, a car. Then where is A used? Please look it carefully. Before words which begins with vowels but are pronounced with a consonant sound. Though it begins with vowels, the word begins with vowels but are pronounced with a consonant sound. Now what is this consonant sound? For example, a uniform. Now when we speak about uniform, suppose it starts with U. When we say suppose umbrella, it also starts with U. But when we say umbrella, then the sound A comes, and that is why we use an umbrella. But in case of uniform, this U sounds like YU. I have underlined here YU, which means the sound starts with a consonant, that is Y. Y is a consonant word. Similarly, European, it starts with a vowel E, but when we pronounce, it comes as European. That means Y. Y is the consonant. The sound of Y is very much clear, and that is why we use A before this word, this type of words. I hope it is clear.